Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet on weekly basis. So we find a lot of opportunity in the call side, and some stocks were given you put side, and only few on put side. So majority of the stocks which given the call side, this is what the data which we are looking from the Monday to Friday, that is 29th January to 2nd of February. That is a weekly based concept based on our advanced option strategy. Today we have seen a lot of stocks which triggers our entry, and it is a different week, so we are expecting the budget and the day yesterday, so it is not giving you such a good move, but morning it is showing you some positive, and end of that evening say maybe some profit booking, the market is came down, and bank nifty end with negative and nifty is closed positive. That is the overall thing which is happening. So based on our concept, so we are using our weekly trade opportunities. So only 2 to 3 stocks, if you find out an opportunity, that's good enough on weekly basis. And monthly basis, we are waiting for a 1 month time frame. So there we to find out to 4 to 5 stocks in a month. It is going to be good for our positional strategy. Whether you are using a hedging strategy or a naked trades, whatever, based on your risk ability. So which you are doing that in 4 to 5 stocks is good enough. I think this month we started from yesterday, so we have some stocks which triggers our entry point, and we have to wait for a positional one as a monthly basis. And intraday currently it is working very good based on the scanner which you have created. That is a charting scanners which we have recently created. That was working good and well for to find out the stock which is happening. The second candle breakout. So today also I was seeing one of the stocks is like a Canara Bank in intraday. So the second candle which given you the breakout on the 15 minutes on the Cambrilla R4 level, you can see the second one which is giving you the breakout from 508. It went to maximum of 521, so almost 12 points. In such a good move which is happening here. Sorry, this is about R3, it's a R4 where it is broken on 515 and it went up to 520 to almost 7 rupees move. Sure, if the stock moves 7 rupees, the ATM option at least it can be moved 3 to 3.5 rupees. That is the concept which is happening today. So mainly I'm just looking in this video as a weekly. So a lot of stocks which given you the opportunity for the weekly basis here. Petronet is a top performing one. So due to the liquidity issue, and the entry price is showing you 2.2, but it went up to 19 after it moves even higher the level, and then it came down. So maybe if you are using a 255 or 260 call option, that was liquid. So let I'm going to check 257 Petronet. 257.5 call option is the strike price. You can see there is no liquidity. Maybe at this time when the market moves very fast, it is giving you such a good move. But here you can see there is no trade prior to that. So this is what started on 29th, 11:45 around 15 rupees. So prior to that, we don't have a data. Maybe it is only having the settlement price. So that is the reason that strike price is not giving you such a good opportunity. After that, it made around 30. From 30, it came down to now it is closed by 19.5. You can see today also not having any liquidity. So this is happening on yesterday on 1st February 3:15. After that, the stock which is showing you 19.05, but today I think there is no volume on this. Okay. So, but the same stock, but run at 260 instead of 257, you can see there is a liquidity. Means liquidity, if the stock doesn't have a liquidity, so you can see the candles, it's not forming, it will be dash like that. But if it is trading with a good liquidity, you can find out there is a big candles and even candles, negative or positive, whatever. So the same strike price from 14, it went up to 29. So as per our concept, this is not a right one. And about is normally not liquid one, and a torrent pharma 2840. That is what on strike price 2840. So based on our concept, so what we are looking for, that is also having no liquidity. 2840 or sorry 2480. 480 is the strike price based on our weekly concept which you are looking, that is also not a liquid one. So we find out why it is showing you illiquid stocks also, because we are filtering out all the F&O stocks. It is about a scanner. It is not providing you any buy sell tips. and it is a scanner which scan all the F&O stocks which is having a call and put. That means simply a future stocks. Okay, so there we need to find out some quality and liquid. I think a PNB, and today it is giving you such a good result. 104 call option on PNB. 104, that is what a strike price. 8,000 is the large size, but currently it is a gap up. So, but prior to that, you can see there is a good liquidity. So, which you are looking at from 29th. Okay, so on 29th, here is the starting. Okay, 29th is the starting. The opening and closing price is 7.65 is the highest level, but our entry point on this is 13.6. So 13.6, when did this trigger? I think yesterday nearby, maybe at this point of 10:45, 13.6 is not triggered. I think 12:45 to 1 o'clock candle, which is triggers our 13.6. And today by opening itself, it is giving you such a good result of 22. So that is a stock which giving you the target and achieved more than our target. And Reliance that we have seen in the first day, that is Monday, and X side that is also be given, and IOC 144 call option. So this week, so we find lot of stocks, but our aim is to find out 2 to 3 stocks. IOC also not a liquid, so sudden jump here around 12 rupees. Our entry point is 14. Maybe we can't able to find out the 14 around 1 o'clock. It's a sudden jump to 14 to 20. So maybe we are not getting an opportunity to trade. And Bank of Baroda, that was 21.9, so 227. That is what a strike price. Yes, 21.9 is our breakout point. So where 21.9, which is triggered here at this point, and yesterday, 31st January, we find out an opportunity at around 2 o'clock somewhere, and after that it is gradually moving, and today it is reaching the peak of 31. That is also a target achieved. And Indopetro, Container Corporation, Tata Motor, and Canara Bank. So these are all the stocks which given you the opportunity based on our weekly concept. And a put side, we seen Polycab not liquid, AU Bank due to that gap down, huge gap down. So it is not triggered, but LND also is a big drop, and the price by the opening itself 3600 put option. LND 3600 put option which we are looking. So here is the point. It is the opening itself, it is moving more than 190. Our entry point is 198. I think it is also be triggered. 198 is our entry. By opening itself, it made a 198. Maybe here we find out, and after that it came down to 135. Then it has bounces back to 226, as you know well. So the positional here at the put side, it is working very well. That is a valid entry LNT, and Coromandel is not a good liquid. So before taking a trade, you need to consider confirm that whether the stock is having a liquid. If the stock is liquid, but that particular strike is not liquid, means you can go for a next strike price or below to the strike price. The right example in Petronet. Petronet is normally having good volume, but always the round number having better volume, even Nifty also. Okay, so if any strike prices which we are looking at 22, 2.7, 7.5, 2.5, something like that, you ignore it. But this is the process based on the concept we are doing that, and we are creating the scanner, and we are not going to change one by one. So it is about automated. By taking in an opportunity, you can try for a stock which is going to give you. And this month, at least this week, we are getting some 3-4 stocks that gives you such a good result. And Tata Motor 810 call, not achieving the target, but it is giving you 30%. Whether it is a opportunity present 810 62.6. When did this start? 62, 30th January. 62.6, and it straight away it goes to 84. Again it came down to 62, and the next time it went up to 95. So it's a good opportunity, and you know well about the Tata Motors is having a good volume. So maybe 95 if it is reaching, then it would be achieving our target also. After reaching our target, now it has came back, and same like that Canara Bank also 42 to 55, 465 call option. Can Bank 465. What's happening here? Maybe here it made a 60 is the peak. So we are looking for an entry 42. So almost 60 and closed with 55. That is also be a good opportunity. So where our entry point is 42.4, maybe the 42.4 which is triggered yesterday around 1 o'clock. After that it came down to 38, but today by the gap up, So we will see there is a 60 and 55 is the closing price. So this worksheet is works based on our advanced option strategy concept. So if you want to learn the positional strategy concept, you can just ping me on the WhatsApp number which shown on this video. And also the recorded mode of the course also available on my website, the link available in description. And the scanners already we created for this also, which is available. And if you request and monthly positional, so this is a monthly positional. We have some stocks like BPCL and IOC. IOC in this case monthly power grid today, power grid which is given me an opportunity today, and even PNB also 114 on a monthly basis. PNB 114. I'm looking for just for 3 to 4 opportunities, and that high is around 9, and PNB which is triggers at this second candle 9:30 to 10 o'clock, and one more stock IOC 147. So the month of February that I will be giving you such a good opportunity. So 1st of February, 2nd February that IOC. So where I'm looking for a 12.7. The 12.7 may be triggered at this point. At this candle around 12 o'clock, and then it went up to 18. So 6 rupees. That is good enough. Almost achieving our target in a single day. And power grid also be there in the list. And PNB that is working good, and into Petro and BPCL around 502. Better to take a 502, 500 and call option would be better. So let me show you that 502.5. BPCL 52.5 it's a strike price. So maybe you can't see the liquidity here. Better BPCL 500 may be having good liquidity. So you can see there is a liquidity, and maybe you know well how to calculate the manual entry without any charts and indicator based on the concept which you have learned. So maybe entry can be triggered here, and then it went up to somewhere around huge. So I think 48, maybe 48 is should be our entry point that can be triggered here around 11:45 to 12 o'clock. From 48, it went up to 67. There is a good opportunity. So based on our monthly concept, which you are looking for an opportunity to take a trades. So we are finding some stocks which is achieved our target is about IOC, BPCL. So we are focusing monthly. We find 3 to 4 stocks or 4 to 5 stocks. 3 to 5 stocks is good enough. So as of now, we find out IOC, BPCL that got a triggered our target. So PNB also 10% higher from our entry. And Torrent Pharma may be liquidity issue. About India may be liquidity issue. I'm ignoring this too. But that is the options which is available to take an opportunity based on monthly concept. Either you can apply any of our strategy based on your need. So this is what on concept, and this weekly sheet is gone for this week, and you'll be getting updated that weekly positional for the next week, that is a second week of February from 5 to 9. So you'll be getting data would be updated, and it may be tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but sure it will be updated on Monday. So if you wish to access the sheet alone, so you can use your own strategy from the top listed stocks based on the your own strategy. If you want access, you can also just ping me the WhatsApp number. So this tier today look like a BPCL, MGL, Torrent Pharma, Abbott. So a lot of stocks, but we need to find so one or two good opportunity based on this concept that will works for your intraday opportunity. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions and doubt, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you liked it, you can hit the like button on this video. Thank you so much.